You've got your passport, your itinerary sorted, and you're bursting with wanderlust. But wait, there's one crucial piece missing to your globetrotting puzzle: cash. Or, more specifically, how to get that cash onto your handy little YouTrip card. Don't worry, Globetrotter, I've got you covered. Let's talk about how to load up your YouTrip card. It's like fueling your jetpack before blasting off on a space adventure. Except instead of rocket fuel, you're filling up your digital wallet with cold, hard cash. Or, well, digital cash. First things first, let's clarify something. YouTrip isn't a magic money tree. It's a fantastic tool, but it needs a little TLC to function optimally. That TLC comes in the form of, you guessed it, money. So, how do you actually get your money onto this wonder card? Well, there are a few ways to do it. It's like choosing your adventure. You can go the classic route, or you can opt for something a bit more modern. The most straightforward method is linking your bank account. It's like connecting two best friends. You input your bank details into the YouTrip app, and voila! You've created a digital pipeline between your savings and your spending. It's a match made in travel heaven. But what if you're not feeling the bank account vibe? Fear not, adventurous soul. YouTrip has other options. You can link your debit or credit card. It's like having a backup plan or a secret stash. You can top up your YouTrip card whenever you need a little extra spending money. Now, here's a little tip: watch out for those pesky fees. Some banks might charge you for using your card to top up. It's like paying a toll to enter the travel kingdom. So, do a little research, compare the costs, and choose the method that suits your wallet best. Once you've linked your bank account or card, topping up is as easy as ordering takeout. You simply select the amount you want to add, confirm the details, and bam! Your YouTrip card is looking a little fuller. It's like watching your savings grow, but in a much more exciting way. But wait, there's more. YouTrip is always innovating. They're like that cool friend who's always one step ahead. So, there might be other topping up options available by the time you watch this. It's like discovering a hidden treasure chest on your travels. Remember, topping up your YouTrip card is essential for a stress-free trip. It's like packing your suitcase with the right essentials. Without it, you might find yourself in a pickle, or worse, missing out on that once-in-a-lifetime experience. So, there you have it. A crash course on how to load up your YouTrip card. It's not rocket science, but it's definitely an important step in your travel journey. With your card fully loaded, you're ready to conquer the world, one swipe at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.